He start to record. Okay. Okay, Jose. Can
Hi, Professor. I just have a question. Is it okay if we did if we created an organization in GitHub and there we created a project? Is it okay?
yes, yes. You can create the project inside the GitHub. It's work too. It's the main idea.
Okay. Thank you.
You can use the Trello too, but you can use the GitHub too. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Go ahead, Ernesto.
Yeah, I wanted to show you also our README file in the case of
Okay.
our
Go
team
ahead.
because thank you so much. So for me just a second. And oh, please here. And well,
I didn't see
basically,
yet. I didn't see yet. Okay, now I see.
yeah, thank you. So here it is, basically all the information that we have. Uh, but basically we don't know, or particularly I don't know if we need to add like requirements like directly listed or just with our user stories. I think it's kind of simple right now. I don't know if it is just like, well, we try to do it like kind of compact, just to say, but I think that we are missing some requirements. But I don't know.
Again, I expect more user stories, okay, that to describe the complete scenario. And I expect that the user story is inside the project, inside the Trello or the project part of the GitHub. Okay.
So,
Give me a sec. Can I share my screen?
yeah, thank you.
Okay. Here in the GitHub, in the deliverables, I published some videos. One video, I don't know if you how you prefer, okay? But you have a video in the YouTube, like describe. I really don't like videos, okay? I prefer to read. And another
Okay, yeah.
one, you have a page, okay? You don't have videos, and it's describe how to use GitHub like exactly like a Trello. Okay,
Okay, exactly.
you have the same idea how to create, how you use, okay, and I expect that the user story describer inside the GitHub, okay, or in the Trello, okay. Did you
Yeah, but
understand?
as the project, right? Not directly in the README file.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So yeah, I now I understand. I'm sorry,
Okay.
but
No, no, no
thank you so
problem, no
much.
problem. Welcome. Jose Andres Rodriguez, please. I will answer, okay? But I will answer tomorrow, okay? I didn't answer yet, but I will answer tomorrow, okay? Don't worry. Any other question, guys?
No, okay. Thank you so much, sir.
No, teacher, I'm okay now. Thank you.
Okay. Tomorrow I will publish the video on the my YouTube and I share in the group, okay?
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, guys. See you. Have a great night.
See you, teacher. Have a great
Or
night
great
too.
afternoon. No, you are great afternoon.
No,
I'm
it's night.
Brazilian.
So. Night,
So so.
afternoon, it's
I
so, yeah.
start to prepare to sleep.
It's technically
Can't
night
read.
now. It's really dark outside, even though it's 7 p.m. So it's night, I suppose. I want to guess. Yeah, I think it's night. Night, afternoon, something like that.
Okay, Antonio. Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
teacher.
Have a great night.
See ya, teacher. Rest well.
Teacher, sorry.
Okay. Who?
Me,
Oh,
Daniel.
hi, Daniel.
Hi, teacher. Could you check us also our user stories and GitHub, please?
Yes, yes, yes. Sure.
well, here's our GitHub, and we basically used the template you gave us. So,
Okay.
and for the user stories, we were like writing them down in these docs. Is this okay? Like the
But you
format?
move to you move the user store to
Yes, yes, we will
to
put them in the
Trello
GitHub.
or to the project
Yeah,
after,
yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yes, perfect.
Yes, is it like correct?
I will read each user store during the next week, okay?
Uh,
But for example, this one, I will see this one, okay?
yes.
As developers. Uh, uh, an important thing to use stores
Mm-hmm.
is you need to avoid to have a user store that does more than one thing. For example,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
okay, for example, the Vitme one, okay? Vitme will have to start the app, send the broadcast and port his severity, and press the update button to send his call message as a base test to the broker every 10 seconds. In this
Yes.
sentence, you have one user store in a bunch of acceptance criteria.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I expect that you use the same standard that I show in the class to define the user
Yes.
store and the acceptance criteria to be easy, for example, in the next weeks to understand, okay, I need to implement it. It's the way that I will test.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Uh, yeah, kind of.
Okay.
So basically, the user stories are like simple sentences, like just one action, for example.
Sorry?
The user stories have just need to have like one action.
No, for example, remember then the user store is in the business language. Okay, for example, this one. As a victim, I would like to start my app and set the broadcasts and ports to ports and its severity. Okay,
Okay.
each one is a store. Why blah blah blah. Okay, you need to describe why. The second one is
Yes.
as a victim, I want to send my risk message as a basic text to the broker every 10 seconds. Okay,
Oh,
to
okay, okay.
aiming to something. Okay,
Yes.
did you understand?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, teacher, the user stories needs to be like as for example, well, in this case, as victims, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Okay. And also here as developers and all the,
Developers does not have a user stores. Okay,
okay.
only users. The drones, pilots, and C2. It's the entities that is inside the scenario. It's the business entity that is inside the scenario.
Okay.
Developers is, for example, and the emulation part, you try to emulate a bunch of users.
Yes.
You can create, I'm thinking here, okay? Uh, yes, you can create as a developers because it's a part, important part of the scenario that this exercise. Okay,
Yes.
but yes, you can create as developers. Yes.
So we these like statements from as developers is correct, or this is more like the acceptance criteria.
I'm thinking. Okay. Uh, I changed it because why you create an emulation environment? Okay, I create the emulation environment to provide to the clients that pay. Yeah, I'm trying to thinking and this use store in a real scenario, okay, in a real environment, like you someone pay to you develop it, okay,
Yeah.
and I can you need to test in the emulation environment to create more realistic setup tests, okay, to validate your idea. And I don't put developers, but I will put like, for example, the contractor or the final clients. Okay. I don't know if you understood.
More or
Be-
less.
because the developers is not the final of developers don't if I didn't I tried to translate, if I didn't put the requirement to use the emulation, maybe you don't use emulation. It's not your requirements. It's not for you. Okay. But it's to final
Yes.
clients.
Oh, okay, okay.
Did you understand?
Yeah, yeah. I'm getting. Okay, so I think I get it, teacher. I
Okay.
understand.
Okay, perfect. Any other question?
Um, uh, um, uh, no, no, teacher, no, no any other questions.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
See
Bye.
you.
See you. Any other question, guys? No? Okay, if you don't have any questions, thank you very much for coming and okay. And see you soon, okay, guys? Thank you. Bye bye.